my name is Roxana Ehsani, and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist and a board-certified sports dietitian. So, some women may be nervous about digging into seafood when they're pregnant. However, the good news is you can safely eat seafood during pregnancy, and the advantages of eating more seafood far outweigh any potential risks, as long as you're choosing the right type of seafood, of course. Seafood is a true superfood for pregnancy, and pregnant women should be consuming 2 servings of 4 ounces of seafood each week. When it comes to choosing the right type of seafood, I always recommend wild seafood from Alaska. Alaska has some of the cleanest waters in the world and produces high-quality seafood, very low in toxins that you might be worried about. Seafood provides an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and vitamins and minerals needed for a healthy pregnancy, like vitamin B12, vitamin D, and choline. Seafood is also rich in DHA. DHA is an omega-3 fatty acid that you may have heard about. It's critical for the growth and development of your growing baby and important for the mom as well. Plus, the more seafood that moms ate during pregnancy, the smarter their kids turned out too. There's many reasons to eat seafood during pregnancy. To learn more about safe seafood options, check out our other video on mercury and selenium. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to ask for Alaska next time you're at the seafood counter.